So today we're going to be finding surface area. And there's going to be two different types of surface area, and they're both related to each other. The first surface area is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is surface area of the figure without the base. So here you have a rectangular prism, and the prism has two bases. So this is a base, and then the top is a base. So what you're doing is you're going to try to find the area of the four faces around it. That's lateral. Total is finding the area of all the faces of the entire figure. So lateral is big P times H. And so I've taught you big B before, which big B is the area of the base. So big P is the area of, is the perimeter of the base. So that's how you do it. So you find the perimeter of the base, and then you multiply by the height. And then the surface area is just 2 times big B, which is the area of the base, plus what you got for the lateral surface area. So they go hand in hand. So let's just try one. So Jonah is wrapping a present in the box shown, and find the amount of wrapping paper that he needs to cover in square inches that Jonah needs, not counting overlap. So basically we need to wrap the whole thing. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this 1 foot 12 inches. So we're going to find the total surface area because we're wrapping this whole present. So total surface area is S is equal to 2 big B plus the lateral surface area, which is big P times H. So we're going to do this all together. So 2, and I'm going to write parentheses. So big B would be the area of the base. And I'm going to say that this is the base, and then the top one's the base. So we're going to have to just find one area of the base. So I'm going to do 12 times 8. That's big B, plus the perimeter of the base. So the perimeter base, remember how do you find perimeter? Is just add up the four sides. So there would be a 12 plus 8 plus 12 plus another 8 times the height of the figure, which is 6. 6 is what makes it 3D. So that's the figure. So now we're going to solve this. So I'm going to solve this in this section and then this section. So I'm going to do 12 times 8 times 2, which comes out to 192. Plus, I'm going to do 12 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8, which is 40, times 6, which is 240. And then I'm going to add 240 plus 192, which is 432. And this will be inches squared, because surface area is squared. Okay. Why don't you try to do this one, but first I'll draw you a picture. So this is a drawer. So it says in the drawer are 1 yard, 20 inches, and 9 inches. What's the total area? So we're going to make 1 yard is 3 inches. And then we'll make this 20. And we'll make this 9. And again, I know it doesn't look right. But we're going to do the surface area, which is 2 big B plus big P times H. So it'll be 2 times 3 times 20 plus 3 plus 20 plus 3 plus 20 times 9. So we're going to do 3 times 20 times 2, which is 120, plus 3 plus 20 plus 3 plus 20 times 9, which is 414. And then you're going to add that to 120. And you get 534 inches squared. All right, now let's try a triangular prism. So same surface area formula, But the only thing that's different is the big B. It's area of the base. Well, in this case, the base is a triangle. So it'd be 2 times area of the triangle, which will be base times height divided by 2. So the base is 8, and the height of the triangle is 3. So it'd be 8 times 3 divided by 2, plus the perimeter of the triangle. So the perimeter of the triangle right here is 5, 5, and then 8. So it'd be 5 plus 5 plus 8 times the height of 6. So I'm going to do 8 times 3 divided by 2, but times it by 2 cancels it out to be 24. Then I'm going to find the perimeter of the triangle, which would be 5 plus 5 plus 8. It should only be 3 numbers because the triangle has 3 sides, times the height of 6, which is 108. And I'm going to add 24 to that. I need to get 132 inches squared. All right. Why don't you try number 3? So we're going to do the surface area, which is 2 big B plus big P times H. So it'd be 2 times the height of the triangle, which is 6, times the base, which is 5, divided by 2, plus the perimeter of the base of the triangle, which is 6.5 plus 6.5 plus 5 times 7. So we're going to do 6 times 5, divide by 2, but multiply by 2, leaves you at 30, plus 6.5 plus 6.5 plus 5, times that by 7, which is 126, plus 30, which is 156. So it'd be 156 inches squared. All right, guys, that is surface area. Thank you.